95% of people fail at manifesting, not because it doesn't work, but because they're making this one mistake. You're doing everything right, visualizing, affirming, taking action. But the thing you want, success, money, love, is still out of reach. Why? Because you're unknowingly pushing it away. Today, I'll show you the #1 manifestation mistake keeping you stuck and how to fix it, so you can finally create the life you deserve. The hidden trap of manifestation. Most people think manifestation is about wanting something badly enough. But here's the problem. When you want something too much, you reinforce its absence. Science backs this up. A 2006 study in the Journal of Experimental Social Psychology found that focusing on what you don't have increases anxiety, which makes your brain associate your goal with stress instead of belief. This is why the more you chase, the further it runs. Your mind is like a tuning fork. If you constantly send out signals of, "I don't have it yet," the universe simply echoes that back. A story you'll relate to. Meet Jake. Jake was obsessed with financial freedom. He visualized a life of wealth, wrote down his goals, and even repeated affirmations daily. But deep inside, he was desperate. Every time he looked at his bank account, frustration hit him like a wave. One day, his mentor asked, "Are you manifesting from faith or from fear?" Jake had been unknowingly manifesting from lack. The next day, he did something different. Instead of feeling anxious, he acted as if his success was inevitable. He started showing up with confidence. He invested in himself. He stopped waiting and started living like it was already happening. 3 months later, his income tripled. What changed? Not his strategy, not his hard work, just one thing: his energy. The secret shift, from need to knowing. There's a reason successful people seem to attract more opportunities effortlessly. A study by Dr. Lisa Feldman Barrett, a neuroscientist at Northeastern University, found that your brain filters reality based on the emotional meaning you assign to it. There's a reason successful people seem to attract more opportunities effortlessly. A study by Dr. Lisa Feldman Barrett, a neuroscientist at Northeastern University, found that your brain filters reality based on the emotional meaning you assign to it. This means if you expect delays, obstacles, and struggle, your brain will find ways to confirm that belief. But if you expect ease, flow, and success, that's exactly what your mind starts to notice and create. This is why acting as if you already have it is so powerful, not faking it, feeling it. 3 steps to fix this manifestation. Mistake, starting now. 1. Detach from desperation. Instead of saying, "I need more money," say, "I allow money to flow into my life." Words shift emotions. Desperation blocks. Expectation attracts. 2. Feel it before you see it. A 2018 Harvard study on visualization proved that when athletes mentally rehearse success, their brain fires as if they're actually doing it. Close your eyes. Imagine your goal as already yours. How does it feel? Relief, confidence, gratitude. Now carry that energy into your daily life. 3. Act from a place of power. If you already had what you wanted, how would you act? Would you doubt yourself? Number, would you second-guess every decision? Number. The fastest way to manifest is to align your actions with the future version of yourself. Final wake-up call. Right now, you have 2 choices. Keep waiting, keep chasing, keep reinforcing the lack, or decide that today is the day you start thinking, feeling, and acting like the person who already has it. Your future self is watching. What will they thank you for? Comment below. What's the one thing you're manifesting right now? Subscribe if you're ready to reprogram your mind for success.